Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create product feeds for Facebook on ShopBase. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to ShopBase if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen, we have the home, we have the orders, the products, fulfillment, analytics, and we have the marketing and sales, contacts, app settings, and the online store. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and create product feeds for Facebook on ShopBase. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So to do so, you'll need to go and, of course, go to ShopBase admin, then log into your ShopBase admin panel where we are at the moment. Then navigate to product feeds, go to product, and then go to product feeds where we are here. So on the left side and click on product feeds. Add a new product feed, click on add product feed. So in the top right corner, select sales channel, choose Facebook as the sales channel where you want to submit your product data. Then configure your feed settings, generate a feed. So once you fill in all the necessary details, click on the generate feed, then download the feed, upload to Facebook. So basically go to your Facebook Business Manager, navigate to your product catalog, and upload the CSV file you downloaded from ShopBase. And then just verify your upload. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything. Bye guys.